Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Why are you crying?
I am lost.
Why are you crying?
I am lost.
What happened?
I am sick.
What happened?
I am sick.
What did he say?
He said to calm down.
What did he say?
He said to calm down.
What did you buy?
I bought popcorn.
What did you buy?
I bought popcorn.
What do you want?
I want your bicycle.
What do you want?
I want your bicycle.
What is going on?
I am watching mobile.
What is going on?
I am watching mobile.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Where are you?
I am at home.
When can we meet?
We can meet now.
When can we meet?
We can meet now.
Who is she?
She's my teacher.
Who is she?
She's my teacher.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
Where are we?
We are in US.
Where are we?
We are in US.
Which one do you want?
I want the red one.
Which one do you want?
I want the red one.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose idea it is?
It is my idea.
Whose idea it is?
It is my idea.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 7 p.m.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 7 p.m.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
When are you busy?
I am busy today.
When are you busy?
I am busy today.
Which is mine?
This is yours.
Which is mine?
This is yours.
Which is better?
This is better.
Which is better?
This is better.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Which is our car?
This is our car.
Which is our car?
This is our car.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
What is that?
That is a pencil.
What is that?
That is a pencil.
What is that?
That is my bag.
What is that?
That is my bag.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
Who are you?
I am Rose.
Who are you?
I am Rose.
How about tomorrow?
Good idea.
How about tomorrow?
Good idea.
How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
It was good.
How many books are there?
There are 4 books.
How many books are there?
There are 4 books.
Where is your book?
It is in the back.
Where is your book?
It is in the back.
Why are you late?
Because I missed my bus.
Why are you late?
Because I missed my bus.
What happened?
I lost my ring.
What happened?
I lost my ring.
Where are we?
We are in park.
Where are we?
We are in park.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cat. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.